Hello, my name is Design Ghost and welcome to another episode of our design series where we learn everything design. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification button to get notified anytime we post a video. So today we are going to learn about how you are going to download mockups from some of the amazing platforms that have design resources, and then how we are going to edit those mockups, and then we are going to use them in our designs. Alright, so without wasting too much of your time, let's get into the video. Alright, so you hop onto your search engine, and then today we are going to use one of the most popular platforms on the internet that has design resources and mockups called the Mockup tree. Alright, so in your search engine you type in Mockup tree and it is going to lead you to this page. Alright, on your right hand side you have the search bar, and then you are going to search gold metallic text, gold metallic tests. Okay, so if you don't want to go through this stress too, I will have a link in my description where it is going to lead you to my Telegram page, where you have the links to download everything that we are going to use in this tutorial. Okay, so I've already done that and this is what I chose. All right, so you click on free download and then you are going to have it. All right, so I have already downloaded it. Okay, so this is it, and then we are going to open it. Once you download it, you can either extract or you can open it directly. All right, so once you open it, you hover over Chrome Test Effect, Files, and then you have different formats, but the one that we are interested in today is the PSD format. All right, so we'll drag and then drop in our Photoshop. Voila, so we have our mockup in our Photoshop. All right, so we are going to take off this message they are trying to communicate to us, and then looking at the layers panel, you can see that they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's see what is in 1. Okay, a different font style with the same effect. Okay, 2, amazing. 3, okay. 4, I see, beautiful. All right, so they are trying to tell us that they have different font styles that you can use in alignment with whatever project that you want to use. All right, so today we are going to edit, we are going to use the 4th one, and then we are going to edit to our preference, and then we are going to use it in whatever that we want at the end of the day. Okay, so but the most interested part, or what we are focusing on today, is how you are going to get the text, download it, and how you are going to be able to edit it. All right, so let's open 4 and see what's inside. Okay, so style, we have only 2 layers in 4, and there is this warning sign attached to our text telling us that we don't have this particular font style installed on our Photoshop. All right, but that is not a problem because this is not even the font style that we are going to use today. Okay, so I am going to use one of my favorite font styles today called the Chrome Slab. Right. So you select the first text, you change it to the font you would want to use. Okay, so Chrome Slab. Okay, and we select our second layer. Okay, so let me briefly touch on this before we continue. Okay, so anytime you download a font or any PSD file where there is a font that you have not installed on your system, and Photoshop happens to give you this warning sign, okay, you shouldn't worry about it, because Photoshop is going to give you the name of the particular font. So if you are interested in using the exact font that came with your PSD file, then you copy the font that Photoshop is going to give you. You take note of the font style, you write it somewhere, or you copy it. You go into any of your search engines, you search for the font, you download and install it, and it is going to have an effect in your test, and then you can use that particular font if that is where your interest is. But today our interest is Chrome Slab, so we are going to use the Chrome Slab. Okay, Chrome Slab, beautiful. And then this does not really look like how normally if you are used to PSD files, this format is not really, it doesn't really look like how PSD text that really appear. Some of it you would have to double click to take you to another working space for you to edit, save, and come back, and then you see the effect in the original way. But this one, you can just edit it straight up, and that is why I'm loving this. Okay, so let's edit this to the text that we want to use for whatever that we are going to do. Beautiful. So we are going to need another set of this effect. So we are going to duplicate the layer by hitting Ctrl J to duplicate the group, and to write a different text, because in here we are trying to create a movie title, a title for a movie. All right, so and one of the reasons I love this effect, this font style, is the nature of the font style. Okay, so you don't have to do so much of work, but it gives you very nice, it gives you very nice font style, font, everything. I mean, you get what I mean, right? Okay, so let's position our font. Something like so we are going to use another font style to complement this font style. All right, so we are going to use Beggar. Let's see your better stop Montserrat. Okay, beautiful. voila, we have a very nice movie title test effect. Okay, so you can use this to edit your movie flyers, your church flyers, or any other project to give it a pleasing outcome. Okay, remember, you can take out the background and you can work behind it, or you can import this into a different project, okay, to give it a pleasing outcome. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, remember to give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit the notification button to get notified anytime we post a video. If this is your first time too, remember to give us a subscription. Thank you for your time. See you in the next episode. Bye.